Niko boigo umuwaziri wa serikali Chigenga Charles Keter nere anyareka wetigimere muyaye boigo aseganga yo guchikurwatani na siasa asobo chori bone bogo chikokoleka n'umutinyo gatano na gatatu mwako yiga bochiri bubere na 22 kaukwana niko chinga kiyate yabuna eganga yaye bono guchikoligia ekerokyo bo governor ase county ya Kericho eliko nyara kubaikirani amenye bense meyo anane amagendro asoko watani chibara gati yebinto binde.
In line with the constitutional provisions in section 43(5) of the Elections Act, holders of the public office who wish to contest for any elective post are required to resign from office at least 6 months before the date of election. I have today tendered my resignation to His Excellency the President, Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defense Forces. I am resigning from my office in government to focus my energy on contesting for the seat of governor of the county, the great county of Kericho in August 9, 2022 elections. I have the vision and commitment and will pursue a development agenda that will grow the economy of the great county of Kericho in improving the livelihood of my community and transform Kericho to become a model of success.